Hello! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster 3 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the system option and select it. Here, scroll down and find the about option and tap on it. Now scroll down and find the serial number. And under the serial number, you will see the list of letters and numbers, and this is the serial number of our watch. And once you're done checking, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.